in New Vision. Maybe because it is partly owned by government, it has some journalists who are very, very practical and positive. But in some other places, it's always problems. You have turned Ugandans into consumers of all problems in Uganda every day. The opportunities in this country, ladies and gentlemen, as you balance, I'm not saying you become, I know, media, that you are reporting only the good things. No, tell us, but also the good things are there. Like now, PDM. Now that problems are reduced, they are no longer there. I don't see reports. PDM was in media every day. This car of this place stole the money. This town clerk has run away. The other group, they shared the money. These ones are drinking. These ones. But now, when we turned the money into a direct transfer from the treasury to the owners, the entire ball game changed. And as a result, Emyoga working, rather PDM. People have started even harvesting tomatoes, hips, and I don't see these reports. Wouldn't they sell? I used to see a lot of the bad things. Now I'm not seeing when it is time for Uhuru. Kindly, for us to build a country where the population has a positive mindset, is creating wealth, we need also to change the way we report. I wish to conclude by thanking our partners who have been collaborating with, the civil society, but also the media. You, the media, you also our partners. When I say us, I mean government. And also these discussions we have been having and disseminating the information to the people. I thank all of you for engaging. I now am ready to answer any question